I want you to do something really uncomfortable right now. Open your bank account right now and check how much money you have. Have you reached $100,000? If the answer is no, you're not alone. Right now, 86% of people in the world are those who never reach $100,000. But here's the good news. If you stop doing what those 86% of people do, you can easily make $100,000 too. You wake up early, you work hard in your office, you sacrifice on most of the things you want, and you always tell yourself, I will try to make more money next year. But when the new year ends, you find yourself even further behind financially. And you keep sitting there thinking, why am I not making real money? And you know what the most painful part is? It isn't your salary. It's not the economy. It's not your boss. The reason your money isn't growing is sitting inside your own mind. So many wrong things about money have been planted in your head. And today, I'm going to teach you the truths that will make sure you never stay poor in your life again. There is a psychological trap that's stopping 86% of people from ever achieving $100,000 in their lifetime. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to rip that trap wide open. Just promise me one thing, that you'll watch this video till the end, and I promise you, today I'm going to share some seriously valuable truths with you. I'm going to show you exactly what money psychology is doing to your brain, and why the money refuses to grow for you. Here's the first brutal truth nobody wants to tell you. Money doesn't care about who you are. It doesn't care that you work hard. It doesn't care whether your kids have eaten or not, or whether there's an emergency in your house. It doesn't care about your bad financial condition. In simple words, money is a tool, and tools obey rules. If you keep a tool with you and you don't know how to use it, and you still use it anyway, it works against you and causes you damage. Think about it like this. A hammer can build a house, or it can smash your thumb. The hammer is the same, but the only difference is who's holding it. And right now, for 86% of people, money is exactly like that hammer, quietly smashing their financial life. And the funniest thing is, these people don't even understand what's happening to them. And it's also the scariest part too. The damage isn't visible. It acts slowly like a termite, keeps doing negative programming inside a person's mind. And when that person reaches to their 40s, 50s, or even 60s, that's when they realize how many mistakes they've made in their financial life. When they see that their friends and their family members have gone way ahead of them, they realize that they were never taught how to use money, and they never learned it themselves either. Let me hit you with something more powerful. The reason you're not rich isn't because you don't know what to do. You know you should save. You know you should invest. You know you shouldn't waste money on things you don't need. You know all of this. Everybody knows it. So why aren't you doing it? Because knowing and doing are two completely different worlds. And between these two worlds, there's a bridge. And that bridge is built out of psychology. And most people never even step onto that bridge. So many people spend their entire lives trying. They watch finance videos, they read books, they take notes, and then they go right back to the exact same broken patterns the next day. Studies tell us that 92% of people in the world never actually achieve their financial goals. It's not that these people are thinking about becoming millionaires or billionaires. These are people who think, somehow let me save $10,000 in the next 5 years, or let me save at least $100,000 in my entire lifetime. But unfortunately, 92% of people in the world set these goals but never achieve them. And the reason is their own thought process. So let's get into the dark stuff. Let's talk about how your brain is literally designed to keep you broke. Because once you see this, you can't unsee it. See, your brain has one job, and the job is survival. That's it. It doesn't care if you're rich. It doesn't care if you're happy. It doesn't care about your dreams, your goals, or your $100,000 target. All it cares about is keeping you alive, comfortable, and away from anything that feels like a threat. And here's where it gets really twisted. Your brain was never wired to feel uncomfortable. It was wired to run from discomfort like it's running from a predator. So the moment you try to shift from being broke to being wealthy, your brain panics. Because real growth requires discomfort. And discomfort to your brain feels like death. That's the dark secret nobody talks about. The journey from poor to rich is not a financial journey. It's a psychological war. And on day one, your own brain picks the wrong side. Here's the proof. Your brain thinks saving money is a threat. It thinks investing is a threat. It thinks delayed gratification is literally dangerous. Why? Because it doesn't understand later. It only understands now. And anything that takes away from now, even if it builds a better later, gets flagged as an enemy. Data never lies. The data shows that right now, 86% of people never achieve a net worth of $100,000 in their entire lifetime, and they left this world without ever getting there. And when I researched this, I realized something. The human mind itself is the reason you can't break out of the middle-class trap. Until you train it yourself, it'll always keep you in the comfort zone. It'll never want you to work alone while your friends are out partying. It'll never want you to invest in the stock market and take that risk. You have to train it yourself. And in this video, I'm going to give you every single reason that's important for you. Now pause for a second. If you're listening to me carefully, then you're already one step away from 86%, and maybe you can be in one of the 14% who can actually achieve the $100,000 target. Before I tell you the real secret of why a middle-class person never becomes rich, I have one small request from you. Please subscribe to our channel, Growthpedia, so you don't miss any of our videos that can help you grow in life. And one more thing, making these videos takes a lot of effort from us, so if you just like and subscribe, that's how we'll know our hard work was worth it. So support us so that Growthpedia can also grow into a bigger channel. Okay, that was the heart-to-heart talk. All right, now let's get back to the video, because what I'm about to tell you might make you genuinely uncomfortable. Your money isn't growing because somewhere deep inside you, you don't believe you can ever become truly rich. You don't even think for a second that the amount you currently earn in an entire month could actually be earned in just a single day. It's a psychological program that installed in your brain when you were a kid, before you even knew what money was. When your parents used to talk to each other, and you would overhear those conversations, you slowly started to believe that saving money is really hard. They would say things like, "We can't afford that," "Money doesn't grow on trees," "Rich people are very selfish," or "Money is the root of all evil." These are the kinds of conversations that happen in every middle-class home. And these are exactly the reasons your brain keeps you stuck in a regret position forever. But here's the good news, and this is what I want you to really hold on to. Psychology can be rewired. I'm going to give you a proper game plan on exactly how you can achieve $100,000. Forget everything you've ever heard from anyone, and forget everything that's been forced into your mind. You just have to rewrite your psychology from scratch. You have to adopt the habits that rich people have. You have to follow the same steps that a rich person follows. And all of this starts the moment awareness enters your mind. The fact that you've watched this far means you've already taken the first step. You've seen the trap. You've seen the strings. And once you see it, you can never go back to being a puppet. So now let me show you the exact roadmap, the exact steps that will pull you out of that 86% and place you firmly into the 14% who actually make it. And I promise you, when I tell you these steps, you're going to sit there and think, wait, that's it? Is making $100,000 really this easy? And this is exactly why most people never become rich, because people think there's some secret to becoming rich. If it were that easy, everyone would already be rich. And that's exactly why they never become rich themselves. Becoming rich is actually really simple. You just have to understand the right things. Step 1. It doesn't matter how much you're currently earning right now. All you have to do is save just $5 a day, less than what you spend on coffee. I know what you're thinking right now. What can $5 even do? Nothing, right? I know too that $5 alone won't do anything. But if you save $5 every single day, a lot can happen. So let me show you the math, because numbers don't lie and numbers don't care about your feelings. $5 a day equals $150 a month. Now take that $150, and instead of letting it sit in some useless savings account where inflation eats it alive, you put it into the S&P 500. That's it. You don't have to manually pick any stocks. You don't need to time the market. And you don't need to gamble in crypto either. You just have to do one boring thing that the top investors of the world do. You have to invest that $150 into the S&P 500. Now the question is, why specifically to invest in the S&P 500? Because it gives its investors an average return of 10% to 11% every single year. The S&P 500 is giving the returns over the last 50 years, from 1974 to 2024, even after every single crash you remember. The 1987 Black Monday, the dot-com bubble of 2000, the 2008 financial crisis, The COVID crash in 2020? Despite all these crashes, the investors who stayed in the market are still earning an average 10% to 11% return today. So if you invest $150 a month, just $5 a day into the S&P 500 at an average 10% return, do you know what happens? Do you know what happens after 20 years? In 20 years, you'll hit roughly $114,000. There it is. Your first $100,000 from just $5 a day, from the money you were going to waste on garbage anyway. I know what you're thinking. This way it'll take 20 years, I want to get rich faster. So then you just have to do one thing. Instead of $5, add $10 a day. If you bump that up from $5 to $10 a day, this way you can double your compounding. If you make it $20 a day, you're looking at almost $2 million by retirement. From a habit so small, so insignificant that most people laugh at it. And those same people, the ones laughing, are the same people who'll be working until they're 70, begging their kids for help, wondering where their life went. But I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, what if the market crashes? What if I lose everything? What if my money goes to zero? And I get it, that fear is real. But let me ask you one question. In your entire life, have you ever heard that the S&P 500 went to zero? Your fear is only temporary. This is the same fear that lives inside those 86% of people. And that's exactly why they never invest their money in the market. You probably know that the stock market has been through many crises. Sometimes Black Monday hit, sometimes the dot-com crash, sometimes the Great Depression, and sometimes the COVID crash. In all of these crashes, the market dropped, and today the market is again at its all-time high. So what's there to be afraid of? Now take a second. Pause and think. What is the S&P 500 really? What do these 500 companies actually represent? The answer is very simple. This is the entire economy of America. You're not buying shares of one or two random companies. You're buying 500 companies. Even if one or two companies go to zero, it won't affect the economy, and it won't affect the S&P 500 either. But if the single share you bought goes to zero, you'll face a huge loss. The S&P 500 holds the top 500 companies, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Coca-Cola, Visa, Johnson & Johnson, and many others. So trust your country. It's not going anywhere. And when it's not going anywhere, understand this too. Your S&P 500 isn't going anywhere either. Temporary ups and downs will keep coming, and you shouldn't be afraid of them if you really want to achieve your $100,000. Another important thing you need to understand is that the stock market is not your enemy. The market doesn't have a personal grudge against you. The market doesn't wake up every morning thinking, how do I steal money from this one specific person? The market is just a reflection of human progress. As long as innovation keeps happening in America, America will remain a superpower. And as long as that's true, the stock market will keep growing too. Even one of the bad economies in the world like Pakistan, its stock market was at its all-time high this year. So understand this, your $100,000 will absolutely be made. You just need to hold patience. And never think, let me pull my money out of the stock market and use it to fix the AC at home. If you do something like that, this video won't be of any benefit to you. For the next 15 years, you'll just be giving money to the stock market, and after 15 years, it will start making money for you. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. Patience is the most expensive thing in the world. Very few people are able to build it inside themselves, even though it's completely free. But almost nobody can afford it. Everyone wants wealth now. Everyone wants $100,000 in 6 months. Everyone wants to be rich by next year. And that impatience, that hunger for right now, is exactly what keeps people poor for the rest of their lives. Money is never made overnight in investing. Yes, there are other ways. If you want to make money fast, you can start digital marketing, a food restaurant, or even start a small business of your own. Maybe your $100,000 will get made faster there. But in investing, you have to give the market time so your money can compound. And once you achieve $100,000, your financial life will completely change after that. Listen carefully. The market is exactly like a tree. You don't dig up a tree every week to see how deep its roots have grown, or whether it'll start giving you fruit next month or not. You know the process of a tree. The plant or the seed you've planted will give you fruit only after a certain number of years. In the same way, the stock market's plant will give you returns according to your investment. If you keep just $5 as your target, in exactly 20 years, the plant will grow. And one more thing, always remember this. Those people you see on Instagram and TikTok flexing their luxury lifestyle, it's all nonsense. Real wealth isn't built from showing off. Real wealth is always built with patience. These people all run a business, and their business is you. So, if you've come to Growthpedia for the first time, don't leave this channel without subscribing. It'll teach you some seriously deep financial truths. We'll meet again in our next video. Take care of yourself.